twitch. Oh, there you go. Alright, what's going on with this thing? We got a bite yet? What's going on? It's supposed to slam to the way. Right there. Oh, that was one. Damn it. Let him bite. Oh, there's one. Yes. Yes. Oh, might need the net. Nope. Sunfish. Rock bass. Damn rock bass. Dunk, dunk, dunk.
Fucking big sunnies that big all day.
Rock bass. Gotta get them off before they pee on you. Goodbye.
Some people they make smaller whack rigs. Sunfish. They make like ones like the size that got bit off. And then just put a smaller
Alright. Okay. Where there's rock bass, there's more bass.
You want a fish mom? I can bring up another one.
Let's bring the family swimming next to the people that are catching bass. It's a great idea. Got the whole lake to yourselves, but let's go right next to us. Oh, what do we got? Oh, it came off! Oh. Doing some speed trolling over there. Oh!
Fucking move so weird. They move up here. Flop though, you're gonna get this.
See if the casting can hit that pontoon from here. They'll get the idea.
That's probably why there's so fucking many of them.
Look at that whole lake.
That might be why there's so many of them. They can't seem to buy anything.
Oh, I crossed it.
Alright, now it's getting boring. Come on. Kind of slow down, huh?
That means we're supposed to go in, I think.
Yeah. Alright, one more cast. Right there. Oh, I don't know. Might have to have two casts. Let it sink. Let it sink. Looks like we got some competition. Oh, what do we got here? What do we got? Oh, look at that. Look at that big rock bass. Whoa. Monster rock bass.
I was like, I don't want these damn things.
Watch this. Oh, damn it, I missed him. Every time I throw it in there. Right there. Jig it, jig it. Now watch this. Oh, gotta hit it right away. Damn, I suck. They're out here. Right out there. Whee! Gotta get them line straight. Watch the line. Right there.
Oh, you said that. Oh,
A little bit of twitch. A little bit of twitch. Twitch it, twitch it. Reel it, reel it. Feel it. Let it sit. Now it's gonna bite. Come on, right there. Right there. Right there.
Flopper, flopper.
Oh, damn it. They're not biting as good. Throw way out there. Weeds, I guess. Here we go, here we go. Come on, come on. Way out there. Wow! Here we go. Come on. Come on. Let it sink. Let it sink. Watch the line. Oh, I think there's one on there. Oh, damn it.
You put that thing on your head.
I know. I was catching them like crazy before I put on. It's probably not even on.
Well, look at that. You guys getting hungry? We can go out.
You have enough?
Kate wants to catch another one.
Let's just hit a spot real quick on the way in, then we'll go. Where do you want to go now? Oh, there was one. Oh, man. Right next to the boat. Thought that was a Rocky. There it is. There it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Son. Whoa. Get the net. Look at this thing. Whoa. Wow. Get them in. I got 6-pound taps now. Whoa. Look at this pig. I'm going to lift him. Oh, I'm going to break my line. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that beast. All right. All right, where's the pliers? Another monster bass. All right, click it up. What are we at now?
I clicked one up.
I need another worm. I got half worms, bitten worms, this worm, that worm. One more cast. There we go. Right there. I can cross this line. Get one on the surface. Whee. Oh, look at that bass. There we go. There we go. All right, this is it. We gotta take our lunch break, our mandatory union lunch break. One jiggy. Oh, is he biting? Watch the rod tip. Oh. There we go.
That snapped on the end.
You getting northerns?
Must be. That was my last hook.
I got another one. We'll have to go to the convenience store.
I like fishing like that. Well, I hate bobber fishing sometimes like this because you can't ever tell if you have a bite or not.
Unless like they
Do it like this. Same thing. Feel for the bite.
Right next to the boat.
Exact same thing that we're doing. Cast further out.
Oh, there's one. Is it biting?
maybe it is.
It must be a weed. Well, we've said it. Oh, and it's a fish. Yes. Oh, that is a weed. Maybe not. Oh, it's another weed. Oh, is that all weed? Time to go in. All that excitement over a weed. All right. Everybody got their $499 guide fee for half a day, plus bait, water, electricity. All right, let's get this thing off. As soon as I put it, is it even on? God, I don't know.